This is my basic twist out. Just the look we're doing today. You guys see it? If you like what you see, please keep watching. Alright, so let's get started with this video. Today we are going to be doing natural hairstyle 101 basic twist out. No decorations, no fanciness, just basic twist out. So to do this, I'm going to be using a couple of products. First off, we're starting off on freshly washed hair. This is from Friday. Today is Sunday. Don't judge me. Washed my hair on Friday, didn't do anything else to it until today. It's dry. I'm gonna have to re-wet it, put conditioner in it and all of that because I was lazy. I didn't feel like doing it on Friday. So we're gonna do that first for each section. Well, you'll see. But first, let's go over the products we'll be using just for the twist out. And to be honest, I don't like when people ask me what products do you use. I don't have any staple products at this point in my natural hair journey. I have products that I like, but I haven't found the ones that are like, oh my gosh, I can't live without this thing type of product. But and I'm kind of a product junkie. I like to try everything because, to be honest, that's the only way you'll know if you'll like it or not, because a product could give you hold and hydrating it, but if the scent is off and it's not something that you find attractive, you're not going to want to use it, and you're not going to know that until you go to the store, smell stuff, try stuff, buy it, take it home, and try it on all kinds of different hairstyles and mix with different things, because it's really like an experiment. I think that's why I like it. Like doing my hair and finding products, because you never know. It's like a little surprise. But for today, I'm going to be using Shea Moisture. To be honest, I saw this in Target and I picked it up. And I do like it. I do like the results that I've been getting with this. So I might get this again, unless I see something else I want to try. That's just how I am. This is what it looks like. So that's the curling butter smoothie thingy. And then you also want to incorporate some kind of gel or something that's going to hold the curl. Main choice. So I'm going to be using this gel. I've been using this for a couple months now, and I like this too. It smells good. I think it has a little bit more hold power than Eco Styler. And when I did a wash and go with this, my curls were popping. Maybe I can insert a picture here. But my curls were popping with this, and they've never popped that much when I was using Eco Styler. But if that's what you have, Eco Styler is good too. This is like the Bible for natural girls, so this works too. And I think it's cheaper than the other one. You're gonna need a spray bottle, water, some combs, my Denman brush. I do everything with my Denman brush. So we're gonna get started. Oh, see, there he goes. There he goes. Want to be seen. Yeah, I'm on to you. You're not cute. You're not cute. You're not cute. So we are going to dampen her up a little, just a smidge. It's be dry by tomorrow. The more wet your hair is, the longer with the common sense. But a bobby pin in it to hold it. These are too big. Okay, it doesn't matter. But to put a bobby pin in it to hold it. And I keep the bobby pin in it until it dries, so that my roots are as flat and not as puffy as possible. Wow, you are really up in my... but yeah. So I'm going to do the other one and then turn back around. Hairball. So I'm gonna part the next level. So I'm gonna turn around, show you, turn back around. I get so happy. I'm almost done. Alright, so it is the next day. I'm going to take our twist out. Get my good old coconut oil again. And I'm going to lather. Alright, so you want, while you're taking your twist out or braids, whatever natural hairstyle, you want your hands to be nice and oily. One, it helps add, it's back to your hair, and two, it's easier to take out so it doesn't get tangled up in your fingers as much. So I'm just gonna unravel all, I think I said I had 14 or 15. I'm gonna unravel them all first before we separate. My go-to for my edges. Practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. So if you don't like it the first time, don't give up. Don't give up. You got to keep trying different techniques, looking at different videos, finding products that you like. It's a process. It's not something that happens overnight. So it's my little tidbit. I hope you guys liked the video. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.